1, 2. 1, 2. Probando. Hola. Pues no sé qué pasa con el audio, pero I don't know what's happening with the audio. But I cannot spend more time on it. Okay. So where am I? Let me close this. I'm here. Hello. So I'm going to change here. I'm going to work on my demo. So first, let's go on. Let's go open Code Sandbox. I'm gonna do it here. First, let me show you how I set up Tailwind, okay? And the first thing that I do is, let me just close this because I don't need it, and open the TailwindCSS website. Actually, I'm gonna do this here, and then I'm gonna change it to locally. So I need to install Tailwind. So let's go and do that. So create a new one so I can add Tailwind. Tailwind CSS. And now it's added, so I can go here, remove that, and do this. Boom. And take out that. Okay. And then I need to do an init, but you know what? I'm just gonna copy this. Sorry. Just gonna copy this and use it. I need to create one file here. Tailwind.config.js. It's gonna be here. Learn more about no. Okay. So process Tailwind. Let's do that. So I need also a post css config.js. Yes. And that will be this. Do I need to install auto prefixer too? I think so. Let's add that too. And I think I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Load, Laravel, Webpack and Core, branch, no. Or Tailwind CDN, but that's not what I want. So yeah, this is all done. So now I can go to my app. Instead of that, I'm gonna do background red 500. And another thing that I need to do is to make sure that the server is running. So I need to restart the whole thing. I don't want to deploy. I want to restart. So why I cannot restart here? Yes, I don't care about privacy. Hey, Benjamin, thank you for the raid. Hello, everyone. Sorry about the music. I don't know what happens with the music, but I don't have background music now. I need to set up that. I waste like 30 minutes before the stream for that, so not going to do that. And I'm going to spend more time on that now. So I want to check. I want to restart my server. So, whoop. Okay, maybe that's one way. So why is not adding anything? React strict mode. I don't want to collaborate. I want to restart my server. Come on. I know there's a way. I know there's a way. These are the things that I don't get usually. So yeah, this is still using that. I'm adding this to the maybe index. Let's just add that to the index. Styles, okay. So I have the post-CSS config. Yes, I have that. Index.js. So let's add that here, or maybe I'll just create an index CSS. Import index.css. Of course, it's gonna complain because I need to create it. Index.css. And now I'm gonna add what I added here. I'm gonna remove that, put it here. And now I need to restart the whole thing. How? Okay, select. I have like a, this is like an older view or something weird. Preferences, settings, code sandbox settings, editor preview, instant preview, yes, key bindings, integrations, appearance, I don't care. Restart. No. I have like a minimal view of code sandbox. Maybe that's it. If I do that here. No, they just change it. You see, I don't have all the icons here for some reason. I used to be like a server kind of icon here, and I don't see it. Edit. Okay, so now it's not. Let me just add like Tailwind CSS. Is this gonna reboot the whole thing? No. So create. Support a configuration. No, this is not what I wanted. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it locally. And that's it. So let me just go. Take that to the desktop. Yeah, why not? Code. Actually, not code. Oh yeah, code. Yes. I'm gonna close that too. And now yarn. And let's see if that works. Come on. Okay, so yarn start. What I'm gonna do is gonna do a simple form. So let me just look for that. Layout. Right, those screencast components. Yeah, I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, so it's not working for some reason. I have that. Tailwind init. Tailwind config already exists. Yeah, I did it. It's here. And I have an index with the index CSS that is here with Tailwind. And now I have my app with that class. And for some reason, I'm not getting that. Yarn start. Again. So I can put it here. What is happening? So am I getting any errors? Line 1. Okay, so it's just rendering this CSS like so, and that's not what I want. I want post CSS to trigger. Why now is this happening? What I'm missing? Am I missing something? Tailwind. Okay, go back. Documentation, installation. I install it. Tailwind based component. Add a Tailwind to your CSS. Yes, I add it. Then Tailwind will swap this directive. Okay, that's good. Create your Tailwind config. Optional. Okay, this is optional. Process your CSS with Tailwind. Yes. Okay. So I don't think this is needed. So for Webpack, add this. I don't need to do that for create React app. Let me just see the other code. Open. This is open source, maybe. Netlify, Gatsby. Maybe Gatsby is doing something different. No, it shouldn't. Or maybe I need to use Gatsby. Yeah, let's just use something like Gatsby. Yeah. So let me just break that and go to workspace, OSS, and let me just let me just copy Gatsby Tailwind thing. So CP is how to copy a folder. I don't remember. cp.r, I think. Gatsby, yes, to React Europe, Tailwind demo. And it's copying node modules. Yes, I didn't erase node modules. That's what's happening when you don't erase node modules. Just thinking that you don't hear any music just bothers me a lot. So React Europe. Okay, so code. Then I can close this. Bye bye. Open that. And then let's see. What do I have here? So I'm gonna remove this. Guess I don't need this. Yes, Tailwind config. I don't need the colors. Let me just model export this one. I can remove that. README. Yes, I'm gonna change that later. I don't need. Yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave this. This is not like bothering anyone. So Gatsby SSR. No need. Gatsby config. Okay, so here it is. That's why. That's what I needed. But create React app post CSS. I need to add something. Oh, that's it. Auto prefixer post CLI. Okay. Okay, so I needed to do, yeah, I needed to add the build thing before. That's why it was not working. Good. So because this is done by that plugin, that's why I don't need it here. Okay, so Gatsby README, yeah, static source, components. Yes, okay. So page index, and let me just remove, let me just run it. Yarns develop. Let's see if it's working. Okay, so warnings, that's good. It's not good. Okay, so I need maybe layout. Yeah, I'm calling use theme. I don't need that use theme thing. Okay, so use theme, get rid of that. Pages index, I don't need use theme. Also take out that. I need the layout, yes. And toggle theme, go away. And Tailwind is not working. Okay. Why? Yes, I fixed that. Rebuilding. Why this is happening to me? Not adding anything. Yes. Main CSS. Okay. Let me just remove that too. Okay. And it's not adding any CSS. Why? I don't know. Let me just yarn remove rf yarn lock. This is painful. Maybe this is not working. Is there another way to pass that? Yes, I think it is. Tailwind full human, and that will control and file size. Good. Purge, yes. Your own, yes, and your own custom. And that set up purge CSS manually. Okay, so let me just add that also to the main CSS. It's there. It's there. Okay. Okay, yarn start is running develop. It's not working. Why? These are warnings. I'm not getting any CSS. Okay, the demo gods are hitting me right in the face with this. I don't know, like, let me try this. If this works, then I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't need to be doing this. Okay. Why? This is working. and the other thing was not. Toggle doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense. Oh, okay, this is it. So I can do this here, or maybe I can just return. Okay, yeah, so I can do Gatsby browser.js and put that. Gatsby ssr.js and put that. This is the issue. Yarn start, so that I can stop this server, and that's what that should fix the problem. I was not importing the CSS. Okay, that was not the only thing. Bigger background. Okay, because I don't have BG background. Where is the main CSS? So I can just put this. This will be background gray. Let's put 200. So now building development done. So I can reload. And here it is. And it's working. Yes. Now let's continue. So now I can start changing things. So this title is going to be Gatsby plus Tailwind form demo. And then this is a basic example how to this is a demo built to show how you can use Tailwind. Okay, and then developed by me. Yes. Okay, so now I need to move all this. Background is going to be it doesn't matter. Then text heading, this is gonna be, yeah, so gray, text gray, let's put 900. Font bold is something from there. Now text center, text body is gonna be text gray. Let's put 600. So now, yes. So now text primary is not text primary. Let's do text blue. Let's put blue 600. Yes. And also maybe 400. And I don't see the blue. Oh, here. Tailwind. Okay, so I don't need that. TailwindCSS. Okay. And text primary. It's gonna be text blue 500. Okay, so no, this is not what I wanted to do. Text primary. Blue 500, and this will be 700. Okay, so now I can do that. Good. And then the meet and greet is going to be here. So div class name, padding y, let's put 8, and let's put a comment here, form code here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is to commit everything and say no, this is gonna be a new git repo, so I need to remove git from here. Let me just put it that. Remove rf.git, yes, git init, git add, git commit -am is gonna be first commit tailwind setup correctly. Okay, so now I can do git create. So I can now do git push set upstream origin master noise. So now it's ready. So now I can start doing changes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is resources. No, let's do screencast. No, let's do components. So let's do something very simple, like a form. This. Okay. So how should I do this? So I'm gonna just start building and then let's see. I can put notes while I'm doing it. Okay, so this will be, let's do a div. That's gonna be our form. Form wrapper. And this will be the white thing. So class name equal background white, then padding the same in every place is gonna be 8, and then border rounded, and then also shadow SM. Let's do shadow SM. So now I can do here some content. I can put here form component. Here inside this form component, I'm gonna add a div, and then inside this is going to be the form control input. Okay, and inside here I'm gonna add a label. No, that doesn't work. Label, and that label is gonna be HTML4 This is gonna be username. Okay, so username, and then also an input. So input type text, and that will be name. It's name, username, and also let's put an ID just because I can. Username. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy that, actually the whole thing, and let's change this to password. Password. This is gonna be password, and also this is gonna be password. Good. Okay, so let me just change to here. Okay, so you can see it. It's now there. And then let's add a button. So let's add another div with a button. Button type submit, and then it's going to be submit. Okay, so now we have everything. Okay, so now let's start adding styles. First, what I'm gonna do is to wrap the whole thing into another div to center my block. So no. Okay, and this is gonna have class name of mx auto, and then max width, let's do 20, no, full first, and then no max width, so full. So now this is gonna expand. Actually, I don't need to do that. I can do this here. Yes, that there, and then max width XS. What else? Yeah, because I need to remove one div here. Now it's working. Good. So now we have everything centered in the file, in the div. So around that, let's do MD, and also the shadow is gonna be MD too. Okay, so now let's go to this div. So also another thing that I want to add is an error message, and also I'm going to put it here. So error, no, it's going to be a P with some random error. Okay, good. So now I just start styling this guy right here, the label. So now I can do class name. Class name is going to be font. Font or text. Let's do font bold. Text. Gray. Let's do text gray. 300. Okay, no, that's too much. Let's do 500. Or no, let's do 7. It looks right. 7, okay. So now also another thing that I can do to the input is to add a placeholder. Okay. So for yes. Now I'm gonna do also a I'm gonna add a margin placeholder. This will be username, and here my placeholder will be that. Yeah, I'm getting something there. Good. So now my label, no, my input is the one adding this is the one that adding a margin top of 2. I tend to do that, like adding spacing between elements just on the top. There's now something called a gap that you can CSS gap thing, grid gap, that is effectively adding like a space in between, in the middle, not on the right, not on the other edges. But I'm not doing that here because I want to play safe. Okay, so yeah, this is something that I usually do, margin top. Then let's do border, and then border gray, let's do 500. Let's see. Okay, that's too much. 300. Let's do also padding X to the sides is gonna be 3. And padding Y, let's do 2. And also rounded SM. Okay. Good. Seems good. Maybe not SM, but also with full, because I want to occupy the whole area. Okay. So now let's go back to forms and let's see. Okay, it seems to be kind of the same. Kind of. Yeah, because it's using other things right here. Actually, you can see that we're using almost the same things. Oh, he's styling the actual form, which maybe I can do it. I didn't. And here margin, he's using margin bottom. Interesting. And this is quite old, I don't think, because I've seen him doing this with the margin tops, no margin bottoms. Like when I say him, I'm talking about Adam. So yeah, let's just stick with this. I'm not gonna copy that. So let's also that add the capital username. So let me just go to my, okay, good. Now, the cool thing here is that I can class name, add a margin bottom here of 8. What is this going to do? This is going to give me the spacing between the elements, but also that's one of the tricks that I do with the errors. Let me just add this error here. My errors are absolute. So that way, what is complaining? Class doesn't make class name. Well, yes, because I haven't finished. This is going to be absolute. It's gonna be text red 600, and it's gonna be text font sans serif mono normal light semi bold bold. No, it's gonna be text SM maybe. Yes, I got it there. Let me put another red. Okay, so now here I can do margin top 2, and if I show or hide this, it will not matter, because actually I'm gonna add that to here. So it's gonna be a button. One click. It's going to be to set toggle errors, and I'm not passing anything because actually yes, I'm passing the value equals to the negation. Okay, so now I need to create that. So const toggle errors, and then set toggle errors. Okay, equals to react.use state false, and it's imported. Good. So now where is my button? Submit. Oh, toggle errors. Okay, so it's here, so I can click, and now I can just go to my error and say and toggle errors. And here actually do the same for the other error, which is here. So now it's out there, and if I click, you see that they appear, but they don't make the form to jump. And that's the actual trick that I do. And maybe I can just, instead of margin, this is gonna do margin top 1. So it will be close to the actual input. And maybe I can do here 10. Is that a thing? Yes. So let's do margin top, margin bottom 10. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so now I have 2 usernames, and I just need to change the whole thing. So this will be password, then username. The whole thing needs to be what? No, here. Yes, password. Okay, good. So now let's go with so let's go with the submit button. Class name. It's going to be background blue 300 over background, sorry, BG blue 500. And there's another thing that I really like here, that I can just pass transition and then also duration with 200, and then like all my overstates, all my changes are gonna do that transition. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, I might do this and that. Okay, so now also it's gonna be text white, and padding X4, padding Y2. Okay, also rounded, yes, and then let's do shadow SM. Okay, so maybe if I do shadow, it will be more visible. Yeah, why not? Okay, so now I completely I did the whole thing and did some little like tricks on it to show. Let me just write it down here. Actually, I'm just gonna write it down in the README. README, good. So tutor developed by me, yes. Live example. I'm not gonna put that also here. React Europe 2020 Tailwind demo, and then things that we cover on this demo. Also another thing that I can do, I'm just gonna create here function label is a component that returns our label. So just take the label, take it out, and here I'm gonna just pass label and HTML4 will be username. Okay, so this will be username, and now I can just pass that here. So I need to get children and then props. Actually, another one is class name, and this is the one that I wanted to show, that I can compose my classes here like this, like so, and I can add my class name passed to my component. So now here I can do children, and also HTML4 needs to be HTML4, and this is gonna be required HTML4. And you can do the requirement however you want. At the end, it doesn't really matter too much. Okay. So now nothing changes, but my component is better. And then I can just do that the same for here. And then I say HTML4 password and password. And nothing changes. And I can do the same for the input. I can do the same for the error message. Okay, so things that we cover in the demo. Let me just put it in. I covered on this demo. Tailwind setup on a Gatsby project. Purge CSS for production setup. What else? Style. Simple components. Over states. CSS transitions. What else? Let me see the code. No, not here. Not here. Here. Also, what else? What else? Maybe something more like abstract, like spacing, elements. With margin, I don't know. Also, the other thing, the toggle elements trick to avoid jumps on UI jumps. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. And I don't want to show too much more. What happened if I do here 300? No, 400, 500. Yeah, the thing is I'm a little daltonic, so I don't see too much. So this is going to be font semi-bold. Yeah, now I can see it better. And if I toggle, nothing change. Username error. Password error. Okay. And also let's do something cool for this. Let me just move this here. So it'll be there. No, I don't want that. So now I need okay, so I need to do this element is gonna be a flex call, and then items center. So that way I'm getting that. Where does that deploy? Is in. It's in this absolute, which I don't think I need. Okay. Okay. So yeah, actually I'm gonna create a branch. I'm gonna come back to master and just leave the semantics. I don't know, what should I do. Yeah, I'm gonna create a branch and then go back and try to figure it out, what will be the best way to do it. So let's do the toggle. And now this toggle is gonna be here and it should be centered. There you go. So now let's add some styling. This is gonna be margin 4. Also background yellow 500. Text black. No, that's too much, right? Yeah. Let's do green. Yeah, why not? Background green 400, and then text black. Or text white. Padding X4, padding Y2. I like that combination for buttons. Why is that? So leading 1 rem text MD text LG. No. Okay. Good. So now rounded. Actually, I can do it in white with yeah, let's do it in white. So this will not be white. This will be black, or not black. Gray 500. So the background will be white, and then border, yes, border gray 800, 500. So now also the text, let's do 700 then. Okay, so now I can toggle, and then I can actually change the background of the button, and we can show that too. So yes, so this pop, and then background white. Let's put background white at the end, and also text grade 700 too. So now I can do this here. So it's gonna be toggle errors. If toggle errors is there, something. If not, this. And here it's gonna be background red 500, text white. And I can toggle, and it's good. So I can show here that this is the way to actually toggle between classes, because if you try to interpolate values between the classes, those classes will not be stripped from TailwindCSS. So this is the way to do it cleaner. This is a cleaner way to do it. Okay, so now this is going to be a branch. I'm just gonna st, it's gonna be a git add, git commit -m solution. Good. So now check out -b solution, and then I can go back to master and start breaking things. Okay, st. What happened with my commit? Oh fuck, really? So master git commit solution. Okay, so So check out solution. Okay, so here I'm going to git merge master. Good. Now we have it already there. So now I can check out master again and start breaking things. Git push all. Is that a thing? I don't know. Is that's a thing? Oh, good. So should I just go and walk through? I don't know. Let me just ask. Because I'm afraid I'm going to, or I'm just maybe having that on the side and start coding. I think I can do that. Yes, I can do that. So I'm just going to remove the whole form. So form wrapper. Let me just remove that. Okay. Go. Cool. Okay. And then I'm just gonna add a message form here. Good. So now this is git add git commit -m. This is starting demo stage. Good. Git push normal. Okay, so now I need to have the other branch on the side, and that way I can just start implementing everything. Another thing that I need to do is to have this running, and I think I can just do that. Full screen, yes. So I can now say I want this on one side. Can I add this on one side? What? Oh, I want to add this here. Why is saying that I cannot? Can I do that with that? No. Okay, so let me just remove that, because there's I don't remember how to do it. Like, you know what? Let me just look. Split view Mac Pro. Hover your pointer over the full screen button. Okay, so I can hover. Customize toolbar. No. Oh, okay, here it is. So this will be on the right. So I can do that. Huh? Is that something that I can just do here? The building retina. Oh, okay. So now I can just do full screen, and then I can maybe, no, I cannot do that. Okay, let me just try this. So now I'm gonna try to move that here. Nope, it's not letting me do it. I don't know why. I don't know why. I wanted to do split view. System preferences, split view. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out that later. So also another thing that I wanted to do is to open my notes. So CD workspace talks, and it's gonna be hijacking ls. So I need to move the example here. So example. Okay, so for that I'm gonna use forklift. Let's go back. OSS, yes, and then Gatsby Tailwind example. So now I can, oh, one sec, I'm sorry. Okay. Whoop, nope. No. So I can go to talks, hijacking example. And what is that? I don't know, but I'm gonna remove the whole thing. I'm gonna paste all of this there. So good. So now I can go here, ls, and also I need to see show view options, show hidden. There you go. Oh my goodness, a lot of things. I don't care about the cache, and then move all of that too. Replace, yes. So now I can do yarn. We can open another window, st, and why I have that? Why is that modified? Code. It's practically the same. I don't care. Yes, so I can remove that Gatsby Tailwind thing. Now let's run this. So let's remove that. Go here. Actually, go here. New, open. And it's gonna be talks, hijacking example, and running that. Okay, so here, st, yarn start. Very quiet stream. Well, one less to have more people. Okay, so yes, quit this and there. No, this is not. No, this is not what I wanted. No, 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 no. No. Show the options. Okay, so let me just take everything but node models, copy it back, replace, remove node models. And now let's change it to the right one. React Europe Tailwind demo. Okay. Without that, move everything back here. So now, okay, ST, good, git branch. I have 2 branches, okay. Quit. So now I can do yarn. Okay, now it seems to work. I need to mention that also. Code. Okay. Sharing some context on Tailwind. And how was it? Oh yes, okay, I remember. Component friendly, yes. Component example. Designed to be customizable, yes. I can just go through the links. Build with PostCSS, and you can set your own configuration. We're gonna see that later. Where's the demo? Demo here. Okay. So I can just put the link here of the demo. And it's going to be ls, good example. I'm actually need to move git to outside, so I can just do that and do ls st. Okay, so this is better. So git add. This is not better. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I can do that. I don't care. Git add, git commit, minus m, move example to folder. Boom. Now I can go to solution, and then here I can just go to index to the page, copy the whole thing, then check out master, and do checkout, git branch minus d solution, yes, and then I can create checkout minus b solution, And here I can just open the index and paste. And if that went well, examples, is there another yarn? So I need to install. If that went well, okay, so yarn start. That means that the whole form is here already waiting for me. Let's see. I need to figure it out how to set up the music again. Maybe one update or something in OBS, like change the whole thing. I don't know. Need to double check. So now if I go here and render, I have my form working. Hello. Yes. And this is a submit. Nice. Good. Perfect. So now, oh. Go back. Tailwind. Yes, I'm gonna put that. Actually, I can open that project here. Can I open that project here? Let me see. File, new sandbox. Create a sandbox, import project from GitHub. I need to put the GitHub URL. So git remote -v. Okay, so I can just take this. github.com/dot generate the sandbox. Okay. So reloading too fast. Why? Is that an error? You see, this is the icon that I wanted before. Server control start panel. I didn't have that. I didn't have that on the other example. Okay, again. Let's just, and now container is starting. Okay. You do your thing. I don't. Let's see if that works. Because if that works, that means that I can just add that here, add that to the repo. Ooh. Oh, it's late. What time is it here? 1 a.m. And this is not working. Why? Come on, reload. Sandbox started. Connected live. Building. Okay. Living is if I've never used. Why? Okay, because label is defined, but I need to build the I need to be the form. Okay. Also, I'm gonna take this, edit. Why is in edit? Can I edit only? Frozen? No. Oh, it's frozen because it's coming from a repo. Okay, so yeah, I can change that in the repo. So I'm gonna change that to the bottom. Actually, I'm just gonna import label from components label. Then let's create one file, label.js, import React from React. Export default and that. Also, I need to pass props. Actually, props should be passed at the beginning. Okay. So now it's cleaner because I don't have that here. So now I'm gonna copy this. And that's great. So I can just, whoa, why? Why so many changes? Oh, because this is reading. Okay, that's weird. You should not be reading the whole thing. Yeah, this is the changes. Okay, so that was something weird. Move label to separate file. Okay, so now I can just do st. Oh, this is solution. Okay, so check out master. And in master, let's open index. And I have label here. Import label from components label. Let's comment that so I can create my component label.js and let's paste. Good. st git add git commit minus move label component to another to a separate file. Good. So git push all. Good. So I have master, I have solution, and everything should be working. Good. Actually, now check on master. Hope I will not pass the time. So now, yes, I want this frozen, but I'm gonna reload. And let's see if the label, something went wrong, could not find package JSON dashboard. Because I changed. So let me move to trash. This is good. Slate cursor bug. Okay, yeah. So I cannot import because I have now that in a file. Well, never mind, doesn't matter. Talks, hijacking, good. So git browse solution. I'm not going to main goal. Yeah, so this looks good. References. Okay, I need to change this code. Okay, good. So now if I look, I have a list. Great. So now I can do this and say wave. Thanks. Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, website. That's it. Okay, so I can do that. HTTPS link, and then this is Twitter. Twitch, YouTube, and this is actually okay. Then I can do this repo, and I can create this URL. So shorten that React Europe 2020 to Audacia or talk. Tailwind talk. Boom. Okay. So I can paste now. What else? I think that's it. I can put this below references. Okay. I think I'm not leaving anything. Good. Now I can do st. Actually, copy readme. Git add. Git commit -m. Update readme. I don't know how to do a patch to another branch. That would be good. I saw one time Ken C. Dots doing like a whole setup to update things like this in many branches, but he's just a beast. I don't know how he does it, but he's quite good. Git add, git commit, because now I will have 2 commits with the same change, which is not quite good. Update readme. Damn it. Git push all. Okay, so now good, thanks. Maybe in these things instead of, damn it, I'm not gonna change that again. That's good. Demo misconceptions. Oh, the demo. You know, I'm gonna do it here. No, I'm gonna do it here. So here, whoop. Demo here, and also git add, git commit. Yes. Check out master. Where is demo? Hmm? Add demo link. They're reading me. ST. Okay, I don't know. Add repo link to the readme. Oh, okay. Push. That's it. I mean, if you are here, you don't need this the goddamn link over there, right? But at least it's visible. Okay, so maybe people will try to, like, do I need to publish this? No, I'm not gonna publish this. Or should I? And build. If you have manual configure purchase until delivery not remember sales at purchase false in your Tailwind config. How to silence this warning. Okay, that makes sense. So in my Tailwind config, I can just do purge false. Okay, how is it? So false. Good. So now I can do again yarn build, and that warning should not be there. Okay. Okay. So git add. Actually, check out solution, and then st good. So I can do yarn build here because this is the one that I want. So yarn surf. Nice. We have it here by toggle errors. Nice. Okay, so let me change this back again. Take that out. So npx netlify build prod. Netlify build. Okay. Netlify help. Netlify help. Okay. Deploy. Netlify deploy prod. And this is gonna publish directory public. This is an example. Okay. So if I go there, it's here. Good. So now actually I'm gonna add that to the URL of the repo. Talk and demo code for my React slides notes and demo code for my React Europe. Try talk. Okay. Safe. This is nice. Okay, great. I should add a link to maybe to the repo from here. That'll be good. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the stream here because it's pretty late. And yesterday I slept not too much. So outro. So yeah, I don't know if you were there listening or something, but if you're there, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being there. Next time, try to it would be nice to chat a little bit. That'll be helpful for me, and maybe I don't know, I can help with something else. So yeah, thanks. See you on the next one.